videos to show you how to stuff your amigurumi project. Let's get started. We're going to start with the smaller pieces like the limbs. Those can be a little bit tricky to stuff. So I'm using my polyfill, and what I like to do to get into those small parts is to use the end of a pencil or the end of my crochet hook. So this is a Clover Armor crochet hook, and I found it's one of the best ones for stuffing the little pieces like the limbs. So it takes a little bit to work it all in, but there we go. Okay, so then for the bigger part of the body. Now for all of these pieces, you can start stuffing earlier in your project. So here I've stuffed some of the body already, but what I'm showing you now is stuffing the neck portion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press that polyfill down into the neck, and then I am going to smooth it out around the outsides. So I'm going to keep pressing from each angle. So see here, we're pressing around the outside all the way around. So what this does is it kind of clumps the polyfill together so that it's a more dense fiber in the center, and that helps to hold the neck up. Now it does take a little bit to press it all in there and get that cone shape, but once you do, then add some more stuffing, and you're going to do the same for the head. So you're going to work around sort of the cone shape that you've created with the neck. And you're going to just keep pressing it in there. And so you can see how it's starting to form the head. Now what you want to make sure is that you are smoothing it out around the edges, but you also want to make sure that you are paying attention to where all the increases and decreases are on the head and body, because those have been put there by the designer to help shape it. So placing the polyfill in the correct position, for example, if you have extra increases to make cheeks, then adding the polyfill specifically to those areas will help to accentuate that shaping that the designer has done. And then what I also find is once you get to the top of the head there, see how that head's still a little bit flat? Is you want to put more polyfill just around the outsides of the head. So I'm going to close it up a little bit more here. We're going to speed it up. We're going to close it up though another round or two, and then I'll show you what I mean by adding more polyfill to the top. Okay, so here we go. We're down. We've got 12 stitches left. So you see how that head's still a little bit flat? So we're going to add some more polyfill under the lip that we've created by reducing our stitches. So you want to make sure to get into all the sides and really sort of press it in under where all those decreases just happened. And that'll really help to pop your the head so that it's round. See how that's already starting to help? All right, so once we've finished this part, then we're going to just finish our last round. So our last round will be 6 decreases, and then we're going to close it up and you're done. So I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.